Because we have tonight the second of three groups of schools seeking a place in the top 10. Well, our next school has proven that they're champions not once, but twice. You voted and awarded them 2012 and 2015 winners. Now they're back for the hat trick, and we're eager to see if they can actually make it happen. Have you figured out who I'm talking about just yet? Well, singing Looking For You, here to show us how it's done. Please welcome the Manchester High School.
Manchester, thanks for being here. It's always fun when you're here. And I can hear the tradition continuing, even with a new director. You guys are doing, is Adi your brother? All right, I see it. So thanks for exploring what a choir can do and the fun things, right? And it's really, really a joy to hear you.
Manchester, the ending was not perfect, but everything else was. You won in 2012, you won in 2015, 3 years ago. Maybe we should be looking out for you in 2018.
Yeah, Manchester, you gave us an even sound and you had a perfect shift from harmony to unison, back into harmony and into unison. What happened is that you chose a challenging song and there were some interesting progressions and you just managed them all so well. Plus, it was very entertaining. Just looking at you, it was just so very entertaining. Very good work.
Have you seen your 2018 champion already? If Manchester High is on their way to the third hold of the title, then text or call 444-8803.